Srangshala naka chicken claimani zorauti R01800656 marini Khungsa Bolero Malkhungo Naitugwi Manjakha Kaichichar Saban case Bisingo 212 gram brown sugar hatio aboni hatidro 20 lakh haikna hini Shaka police paithago patimong krangjak Khorang borongna arrest khlaika police
Sini. আমি পানি জায়গা দিলু ও আরেকজন মানুষের দিছে আমারে আমার গাড়ি আমি বলাই চালাই আমি ওখানে গাড়ি রাখা দরকার মানুষের কি নাম কই নিতে কইছে তোরে আগতলা খয়াপুর ওখানে
ওই মানুষের কি নাম যে তোমার দেশে
হ্যাঁ
ওই মানুষের কি নাম
সাদিক কইয়া নাম
সাদিক ওর বাড়ি কই
আসাম
Shalbrumna Thanglia Pebuni Mani Kini Manjakmani Koktumakase family, Koktumani Pisinte Shawik Naraka, Strang Salo Shalbrumna Haikino Exolis Mile Naka Poendo, Checking Klaizakmani Zorawa, TR01800656 Marini, Khungsa Bolero Malkhungo Naitugwi Manjakha, Kaichichar Saban case Bisingo 212 gram brown sugar, Hatiwaburi Hatidor 20 lakh haikna hini Shaka police. Aba haikino party mungo kerungjak Khorang borongno arrest khlaika police. Aba haikino ashalo DCM Sandip Debormate SDP Bisingo no khulok jaka brown sugar. Abani yagulo sis khlaijaka brown sugar.
Chini Tripura jo je naka checking point tomo kene Chini mongya bobo 41 mile naka point tomo aro 24 hour aro checking cholibo aba ke tini handa jarago gari ke haye gari kasota Bolero gari apni number hanta TR0180061556 Bolero gari Bolero no Sunday only Kasuka. Kasumani Kore, Ronuka Bini Gari number, which is number Kita Milia. This is Sunday Kai Sunday Kai Bini Abakis and Executive Magistrate in Tubuka SDPU authority no Kaborika. Did you know letter the way independent guest Tubuka? Abakan Boni presents Gari Saskaka. Gari charge coming for a total 18 case. Total 18 case. 212 gram brown sugar. The thing jago abona recovery kaika. Abo sis kaika ta.
Hati wo phalkai besik
tabo oro driver tongo koroksa. Ab driver no se. Sing je rule onusare sing action.
Hati wo phalkai rang bese morok na bini.
Hati wo mo approximate by 20 lakh.
Today at around I think 3:30 p.m. I got a message from SDPO sir that here at 41 mile during regular this Naka checking, so one suspected Bolero vehicle bearing number TR01800656. During this search, that the driver was found to be suspicious. And upon receipt of the knowledge, me along with SDPO sir, we rushed to the spot and along with two other independent witnesses from the block office, we conducted the search and after completion of search, we have recovered 18 cases. These are like soap cases which have already been exhibited and marked. And inside each case there is one pouch, and which is suspect to be brown sugar. So total weighing around 212 gram, and the market value on this date will be around 20 lakhs. So this is I think this is the second time in a span of 2 months, not 2 months, 1.5 months, another similar kind of seizure took place in the same spot. So I think the police authority is doing a great job, and subdivision administration is also constantly in touch with police, and we are also providing all the necessary support that we can from our end.
Sir, your good one?
My name is Fundip Debarma. I am DCM Telangana.
Paithako aborok ni mugai NDPS ekerong khlaisa ka FIR patimuno rugai police ta musak tharmungna harno abojoran kok sanai patimuno tei chaitungi Naitugwi ongkhor jakta buk police salphagya keno febungni mani khini manjak mani nulugai hastini lukuroni Bisingo nusa khadal bidal singmong Khwaini simi biplop ni koktum Chini Khorang.